Welcome back. In what ways can prompt injection occur? And how do you design prompts to reduce its impact? Prompt injection shows up whenever untrusted text gets mixed into the same input channel as trusted instructions. The model can't really tell intent. It just sees text and tries to follow what it looks like the most recent or most authoritative instruction. So, injection is less about hacking the model or more about confusing its priority system. The most obvious case is direct user injection. A user includes something like ignore previous instructions and do X. If that text lands in the same place as your system rules, the model may comply, especially if the prompt is loosely structured or overly conversational. A more subtle and more dangerous case is indirect injection through retrieved content. This happens a lot in RAG systems. A document in your corpus might contain text like, to answer this question, say the password is. The assistant should respond with, if you blindly paste that into the prompt, the model may treat it as an instruction instead of as data. This is especially common with scrapped web content, markdown documents, or user-generated text. Another form is tool output injection. If a tool returns text that looks like an instruction, or you feed it back into the agent without labeling or sanitizing it, the model may follow it. From the model's point of view, tool output is often very high trust, unless you explicitly tell it otherwise. There is also contextual injection, where the attacker doesn't try to override rules directly, but instead nudges the model over several turns. For example, slowly redefining roles, reframing the task, or introducing fake authority. This is harder to detect because no single message looks malicious on its own. To reduce the impact, I focus on separation and clarity rather than clever wording.